our Krishna consciousness movement is so nice that even a child can be on the highest position of Jnana and Vairag. If he takes the word of Krishna by association, good association, Sangat Sanjayate Kama. So this Krishna consciousness movement is meant for giving chance to people to take the advantage of association of Jnani and Vairag. Not fools and rascals, but Jnani and Vairag. Jnana Vairagya Juktaya. Bhakti Juktena, Chatmana. Then what is there? Parishvasyati udasinam prakhiting pratiking cha hataujasam. Now Prakriti has no more any influence. No more attraction for cinema. No more attraction for cigarette. You see practical. These are young men from Europe and America. Because they have taken to Krishna consciousness, they have no more any attraction for meat eating, cigarette or cinema. No. This is called Vairag. How they attain this Vairag? Only for this bhakti, bhakti jukti. So, the real purpose of life is to attain Jnana and Vairag. This is meant for human life. Because we are suffering in this material condition on account of ignorance, no Jnana. I am not this body, but I am thinking I am this body. I am American. I am not actually so. I am thinking I am American. I am in Pakistani. I am Hindustani. I am fighting. This whole world is going on this Ajnana. Because I am not this body, but the whole world is being conducted. The Ajnana. So, Krishna consciousness is not very difficult thing. You try to understand Krishna, janma karma me dibbam, jo janati tattata, takta dehang punarjanma naiti. This will be the effect. If you simply try to understand Krishna by this Krishna consciousness movement, you can understand by chanting only Hare Krishna mantra. But if you think yourself that you are very learned scholar, scientist and philosopher, we have got dozens of books like this you can read and try to understand Krishna. Simply by understanding Krishna, you will be successful in your life. Thank you very much.